Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Shocking new details from a road rage murder investigation.
Prosecutors say the man now charged with shooting and killing another driver near New Lenox Monday was already banned from owning a gun and shouldn't have been driving. Today, the victim's family went to court to face the accused gunman, and our Sarah Maki was there.
It resulted in the loss of a beautiful person. Like, it's stupid. It's stupid.
That's Mia Clayton reacting to new evidence about the death of her brother, 30-year-old Lanier Clayton, and what prosecutors called a road rage murder.
It made me sick to my stomach. We knew he had been shot multiple times. We didn't know how many times. So finding out that he shot at him 11 times, that 9 of them hit him, and that most of them were in his back, it's sickening. There was no reason for it.
In the Will County Courthouse, prosecutors said a witness called 911 during Monday afternoon rush hour to report what looked like a road rage incident involving 2 cars on westbound Interstate 80 near New Lenox. A Jeep that steered into a Honda, pushing it into the center median wall. As both drivers got out, that witness heard several gunshots. Prosecutors say Philip Rogers owned that Jeep, now accused of first-degree murder and unlawful use of a weapon by a felon. The judge denying Rogers' pretrial release because of the severity of this crime, murder during rush hour, and his prior convictions. Prosecutors say Rogers was banned from owning a gun and shouldn't have been driving because he was prohibited for a previous felony fleeing and eluding case.
He should not have been driving or have a gun. Pathetic.
Prosecutors say Rogers told investigators that Clayton veered into him, causing the crash. Rogers reportedly told police Clayton punched him in the nose and mouth, threatening to kill him. But prosecutors say data from Rogers' Jeep shows he turned left into Clayton's car, and no guns were found on Clayton or in his car.
And tonight, the family spoke to our Jermont Terry. Jermont.
Erica and Joe, Lanier Clayton was 30 years old with so much more life and love to give, his mother tells me. Now, I'm told that Thanksgiving was his favorite holiday, yet this family will have a huge void this holiday and for many years to come after someone took his life after a car accident on I-80. Video shows Lanier Clayton dancing with his mother with a big smile.
He was the life of the party.
And this is how his mother, Lenora Clayton, wants to remember her only son.
He was a jokester.
Monday night, just before 11, a knock at the front door awoke Clayton's family.
And peeped out the curb and knew if something wasn't right.
On the other side, Will County Sheriff's officials with Lanier's ID in hand.
She's asking them, where is my son? Where is my baby? Is he okay? Is he alive? Is he safe? And they wouldn't say much more until they said, can we come inside? We don't want to do this on the porch.
Deputies broke the news Lanier was shot and killed while on I-80 near the 355 interchange in Joliet.
I was in shock. She's crying. I'm trying to hold on to her, and I'm just like, this can't be happening. My brother called me at 5:15.
Take a look. She missed her brother's last call just minutes before the incident.
I don't know if he called me and this was happening.
Investigators say Lanier and another driver got into a car accident on the interstate. Yet when the two got out to look at the damages, that driver pulled out a gun and fired, killing Lanier.
This happened because of an accident? This is crazy.
It wasn't just once, so that's rage, that's hate. Why? You don't even know him. And even if you did, that wasn't necessary.
Police arrested the shooter, but the family's void leaves so many questions over what appears to be a simple car accident.
It was not worth it. You took this boy from us right before the holidays. Like my mom said, you didn't know him. Right. You didn't know him, and he doesn't know how badly he's affected all of us.
As the family grieves, they hope the person is charged accordingly.
I, for damn sure, hope that he is locked up forever.
I certainly do, too.
Forever.